and a Kong Mang inasal. This cost me 298 pesos. Comes with 1 stick of barbecue, palabok, paa, rice. We have toge. This is... oh, we have suka. I'm assuming this is for the toge. Tastes like a regular lumpiang toge. Nothing special. It's a bit oily than I prefer it. Look how oily it is. The barbecue. Standard succulent, has charred bits. I think it's a good barbecue. We have the palabok. I'm very particular with palabok because of Susie's Cuisine. It really set up the standards for me. Let's try the paa. Let's go for it. It's the insal that we all know and love. And they gave me an extra chili oil. This is for you all big backs out there.
Big back, big back.
Big back, big back. You could never go wrong with Mang Inasal. Everything is good except the palabok. Giving this an 8.3 out of 10. Alright, bye guys.